Today we're at Egg Bread here in La Habra. I mean, this place looks absolutely amazing. And first and foremost, the most popular dish here at Egg Bread is going to be, I'm tongue tied because this place is so salivatingly good. Is going to be their awesomely soft scrambled eggs. I guess they call them like scrambledly soft. But take a look at that. I mean, it looks absolutely amazing. And then they have, it's not just breakfast, guys, so just keep that in mind. We also have this marinated ribeye with egg also. Looks absolutely amazing. And the most awesome is gonna be this, they call this the Ben Franklin. Ben Franklin.
Mama, when did Ben Franklin invent electricity?
That's nonsense. I invented electricity. Ben Franklin is the devil.
All right, I'm back. Okay, so with the Ben Franklin actually comes this little cup of hollandaise sauce, which is pretty amazing, and it's kind of like a eggs Benedict, but in a sandwich. So pretty awesome. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dive into this. This looks absolutely amazing. Look at that, guys. It looks so good. So this is their scrambled meat soft. Oof. All right, guys. Cheers. A little messy, but ooh, the flavors are so good. The eggs are super soft. It's got little pieces of chives in there, some salt. Look at that, it's just falling out. This is super good with that melted cheese on there. Oh yeah, this is like super heavenly good. Even has some grilled onion on there as well. The onions on there are super caramelized, so they come out like a little bit sweet, but the flavors are outstanding. A really nice added touch, you know, with the chives in there, makes the the eggs kind of pop a little bit more, not only in flavor but presentation as well. It's so good. Wow. So the next one that I'm going to go to is going to be that ribeye. I'll put all their information in the description so you guys can see. All right, let's dig into this ribeye. It's got like arugula. It's even got egg on it, cheese, all the goodness. Look at that. Just amazing. Oh yeah. Let's take it out of this wrapping so you guys can fulfill this greatness. Oh, this looks so good. That egg yolk just burst. Look at that dripping action of the egg yolk. Oh man. Ooh, that ribeye is so good. Cooked to perfection. So many sauces on here. Wow, that's super tasty. I mean, it's got so much going on. There's so much flavor. And the meat is not tough at all whatsoever. Gotta soak up all that egg yolk. And the bun. Oh, it's like a brioche bun. Let's take that steak out. I want to try it by itself. Look at that. All right, guys. So right now, the last one is going to be this awesome Ben Franklin. It's literally an eggs Benedict in a sandwich. It's pretty cool. Their little packaging, right? Even has their little information there. A little egg bread OC going on. All right. Oh, this is almost like an English muffin bread. Ooh, that's super cool. All right, look at that. On the inside of that, you can see that egg. Oh, that's gonna just pop perfectly. Ooh, I'm super excited. All right, let's go, guys. You ready? Oh my gosh. That is literally my favorite thing here. Ooh, I gotta take another bite. Ooh, McDonald's, eat your heart out, baby. This is nothing compared to McDonald's. This is, I mean, I would never compare this. This is like magic between two pieces of bread. Remember, it comes with that hollandaise sauce. Let's dip that in there. Ooh, look at that. It's so freaking good, guys. Yeah. It's so good. I mean, literally just dunking it here. Look at that. Just dunking that into that hollandaise sauce. Look at that. Ooh. You guys here at Egg Bread, I'll leave all their information here in the description. You gotta check it out. That's fire. It's so darn good, guys. From the ham to the, I'm pretty sure it's like an English muffin bread, to the healthy veggies, to the sunny side, sunny side soft-boiled egg, whatever it is. It's so good.
So back then, we thought it was a big deal. Like one of my projects was translate to
That's magic, guys.
distance and stuff.
Oh, that's so good. Last bite.
So my project was cut a ton.
If you guys are ever in the area here in La Habra and you guys want some awesome breakfast or even lunch, whatever it is, come down to Egg Bread. But your boy is out. Peace.